In this video, we'll show you how to quickly create a model-driven app. Go to make.powerapps.com. That'll land you in the homepage for Power Apps. From here, you'll want to navigate to your solutions. Ideally, if you're creating any kind of solution involving apps, tables, flows, you'll want to consolidate all of that information into a solution. And if you haven't created a solution already, it's very quick. You just click New Solution, give it a display name. You may need to create a new publisher, and then click Create. In this case, we already have a solution created called Inspection App, so we'll open that up. So now that we're in the solution, we can see all the items contained within it. If you've just created yourself a new solution, yours will be empty. And if we look at the type column, we can see the type of item that it is that I've dragged in. So in this case, we've got a handful of tables, we've got a Canvas app, we've got another Canvas app down here, we've got a model-driven app, and then a sitemap. So today, we're going to be creating a model-driven app. Now, to create the model-driven app, you click New, App, and Model-Driven App. You'll give it a name, and then press Create. This now opens you up in the Model-Driven App Developer view. In other videos, we'll discuss how we can use this developer environment to customize your app, but for today's video, we're going to just create the simplest app possible. We're going to click New. Here's where you select the type of page that you want to add to your model-driven app. Today, we're just going to focus on adding a few tables. So we're going to select Dataverse Table. Now you can see all the tables that are within your environment. I'll select these top 4 tables and click Add. Now we can see that these 4 tables have been added to the model-driven app. You can expand the side panel by clicking this icon, and we can see the full names of the tables. On the far left, we can rearrange the tables by moving them up or down. And we could also create a group if we'd like to group certain tables together. By default, it creates a single group for all your tables to sit in. If you'd like to add another, next to navigation, if you click the 3 dots, you can select New Group, give the group a name, and to move tables into the group, you need to select the Move Up or Move Down option to move the item underneath the group. So in this case, that table I moved down, and now it sits within this group. And you can see now in the model-driven app viewer that Group 2 has been created, and Inspection Categories has been moved down and sits within it. Now that we have a very basic model-driven app, we're going to save, publish, and play. So now we can see the app that we've created. We've got our new group, the original group, and then we've got Group 2 that we created. We've got the Inspection Categories table sitting under Group 2. We can navigate between these tables. And because we published on the previous screen, this means that this app is now live and it's available to be shared to your peers. That being said, you don't need to publish the app to be able to test it in this play environment. Best practice would be to finalize your app and do all of your testing before you hit publish. In the next video, we'll discover views. Views allows you to sort and filter your data so you can display it in the way that you want to see it.